Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. Today I am back with another look. Yes dolls, if you want to see how I created this look, carry on watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Today we're going to be using the Revolution Makeup London palette. It's the intensely pigmented foil shadow palette. So it's got like all these nice foil shades in it. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to start on the face first. So I'm going to start off by priming my face. I'm going to use my Angel Veil primer. I'm going to add some of that on. And I am also going to add just a little bit of my illuminator on the cheek area. Okay, so face is primed. I'm going to color correct. Before we go anywhere, color correcting is very important, okay? It could be the difference of making your base flawless to making it look ashy or dark spots underneath, dark areas on your face. It is very important. I never used to really color correct at all, but trust me, it is the way to go. Okay, so I'm going to pop all my face products on, and then we're going to just blend it all out together just to make this process a bit quicker. Just going in my NC42. I'm going to put my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer on in Cashmere. Gonna go in with Cocoa. And I'm also going to go in with my foundation as well. So I'm going to go in and blend out my concealer first. So guys, we're going to go on to a little bit of baking, a tad bit, don't really bake, and I'm going to also bronze up my face, and then the face will be done. I'm going to go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. Just love bronzing up the face. Just gives me life. I just love it. I love this part of it. I don't know, maybe it's because I could just see the structure in my big round face when I do it like this. Just gonna go in with my Fit Me pressed powder, and I'm just gonna go all over my face. Set my face. Quick ting. Just gonna do my brows and then I'll be back and I'll start my eyes. Okay dolls, let's get started on the eyes. The first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyes, and I'm going to be using my Rumour 03 PLouise base to do so. Just taking the opportunity to neaten up my brows once again. Gonna go in with Fade on top. I don't even know how to explain this color really. It's like a brown, but it's like a grey brown in the palette. So I'm gonna go into Reckless. It's like a burgundy color, and I'm just gonna pop that right here. Gonna go back into Fade. Okay guys, I'm back and my lashes are on. What I'm going to do now is just do my bottom lash line, mascara, a little bit of eyeshadow, and it's literally a bit of blusher, bit of highlighter, and we are done. I'm going to go in with that, you know, the shade on my cut crease. I'm going to put that on first. Glitter. What I'm going to do now, add Reckless. Reckless is that like pinky kind of color that's there, so I'm going to just add that now. And then finally I'm going to go in with Basic. Going to set my face and I'm going to blush and highlight. Pincho Peach blush from MAC. I'm going to use something a little bit different to highlight with. I'm going to actually use my Revolution Makeup London Vivid Baked Highlighter. It's just pretty pinky, nudie kind of highlighter. I love it. I like to use it when I have like tones like this on my eyes, like the pink tones and stuff, or if I do a pink look. I'm going to just add that here. And it's just so gorgeous. I love this highlighter. And I always forget about it. So I'm so glad I remembered. And I am going to go in with Myth from MAC. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my gloss on top. Okay dolls, this look is a wrap. What are you saying? I absolutely love this look. Yes. If you enjoyed this video, if you love this look, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video.